Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change a headlight on a Toyota Highlander. First, gather your tools, including a new headlight bulb, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. Always ensure your vehicle is turned off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns or electrical issues. Reviewing your owner's manual for the correct bulb type and any specific instructions for your model is also a smart first step. To begin, open your vehicle's hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. You might need to remove a few plastic clips or screws that secure the surrounding trim or air intake components to gain better access. Once you have clear access, carefully twist and remove the electrical connector from the back of the headlight bulb. This usually involves a simple push and twist motion. With the electrical connector detached, you can now remove the old bulb. Typically, you'll twist the bulb counterclockwise a quarter turn and pull it straight out. When handling the new bulb, always hold it by its plastic base. Oils from your skin can significantly reduce the bulb's lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb into the housing, twisting it clockwise until it locks firmly into place. After the new bulb is securely in place, reattach the electrical connector. Before putting everything back together, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it's working properly. If it illuminates, you can then reassemble any trim, clips, or screws you removed earlier. Remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic socks and other great deals. This simple repair can save you time and money.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.